Hi guys, welcome back. Now I am going to say you about the dual nature of an electron. Dual nature of an electron in an atom. So how they show? That means what are the dual nature? One is they show the particle nature and other one is wave nature. So how the particle nature that is considered, that is having the mass and energy. So that also gives us the momentum, and the wave nature like the frequency, wave number, and wavelength. Okay, wavelength, frequency, and wave number that we saw in the previous video. Now, how these are existed in an electron. So that is determined by using a spectrum that was the scope, or that is called as electron microscope, where he could find out the electron is moving around the nucleus in such a way that when under the darkness and the bright light, he observed the speed of the electron moving around the nucleus. So that's what he considered the very important expression, that was the wavelength is equal to h by mv. We know that mv is nothing but momentum. So that means it is mass, it is velocity, so it is a momentum. We know that electron in an atom shows angular momentum, not a linear momentum or linear velocity. So that's what he considered as lambda is equal to h by p. Here, in a particular the expression, he considered the momentum and wavelength and Planck's constant. So with this, the expression, he arrived from the expression, the two expression, that is the frequency into lambda, and one more expression, that was E is equal to h into mu. It is a Planck's constant, and these two are frequency. This 200 frequency is a wavelength, and it is a Planck's constant. So here he applied the mu. If it is rearranged, mu will become c by lambda. So if the same is applied, then E will become h c by lambda. So here the lambda is considered as mv. So E and energy total, he convert the expression that as lambda is equal to h by mv. That means the momentum is possessed by due to the energy, the mass into velocity. So that is because that gives the kinetic energy of an electron, that is possessed by the energy of an electron. So this how the dual nature of electron, that is derived by the using the electromagnetic wave theory. Okay, so I hope you have understood the concept. Thanks for watching.